Hello dear students, welcome back. Let's check out this problem here. Solve x square y double dash plus xy dash plus y is equal to 2 cos square log x. This problem is from the model question paper of the fresh VTU 25 scheme, that is 1BMATE101. And if you have been following me and watching my previous videos, then I solved numerous problems on Legendre's and Cauchy's differential equation. And this is what? This is clearly Cauchy's differential equation. Why? Any differential equation of the form x cube y triple dash plus x square y double dash plus x into y dash plus y is equal to phi of x is what? Cauchy's differential equation. Plain x square, x cube, x so on will be there. So, what is the first step we do here? And if you want to understand the concept of Cauchy's, the theory behind it perfectly, then please do watch my videos. Okay, for now, we will solve the problem here. So, understand, watch it carefully how I am solving it. The first step for solution of Cauchy's differential equation is what? Put or let log x is equal to t. Okay, so let what? Log of x equals to t. That means, that implies what is x? E raised to t. And this we use in where? RHS, right hand side. That means, right hand side everything we replace in terms of t. Now, the left hand side. Okay, please, I again request you go watch the theory and other problems you solve, you will become more perfect. Okay, in solving these questions. What you do? In Cauchy's, x square y double dash means we can write x square y double dash as x square means d into d minus 1 into y plus x y dash means dy. Remember always, x cube means d minus 1 d minus 2 into y, x square means d minus 1 into y, x y dash means dy plus y equals to, what's that? Cos square. I have put log x is equal to t here. See, log x is equal to t. Log x is what? T. That's what I am telling. Right side everything will become in form of t and left side in terms of d. So, 2 cos square t. This is what I get. Let's simplify this further. So, we have d square minus d plus 1 into y equals 2 cos square t. That is, d square d cancels plus 1 into y equals 2 cos square t. The solution is the usual way of solving the differential equations of higher order. So, first we find CF, the solution is CF plus PI, we find the CF here, but note the right side is t, not x. Okay. How to find CF? M square plus 1 is equal to 0. So, m square is equal to minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus I. So, the complementary factor will be C1 cos of, many people do mistake here in the examination. Be careful, right side is not t because we have the habit of writing x. Here right side is t. Later in the solution we will replace by x. Agreed? So, watch carefully. CF is C1 cos t plus C2 sin of t. This is my CF. So, please underline the CF. You will get marks for this. Okay. You found the CF here. Now, the particular integral pi is yp is equal to, what is that? 2 cos square t, here 2 cos square t whole divided by d square plus 1. We have seen in the differential equation higher order, we have studied for VTU 3 types here. Type 1 is e raised to x upon f of d, type 2 is cos and sine, and type 3 is polynomial. Now, which type is this? It's not type 2. You may wonder if type 2 because cos is there. It's not cos, it's cos square. And always I keep on telling you, in applied mathematics or engineering mathematics, wherever you get cos square, use the formula 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Sin square 1 minus cos 2t by 2. So, this will be now 2 into 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2 into d square plus 1. Now, see 2 cancels. So, what I have? I have yp is equal to now 1 plus cos 2t whole divided by d square plus 1. Again, as I keep on telling you, when solving differential equation, when numerator has plus or minus n, always separate them because each individual will have its own type. So, this will be now 1 divided by d square plus 1 plus cos 2t whole divided by d square plus 1. Now tell me which type. So we have, this is yp, okay. Which type? See, if the numerator is constant, we call it type number 1, or simply you can take it as into e raised to 0 t. Okay. So when the numerator is constant, simply what? Replace denominator all d by 0. Type number 1, e raised to x upon f of d, replace d by a. Okay. Then, and also I have solved many problems on type 1, type 2, type 3. Please do refer that. Okay, because that basics is required to solve this Legenders and Cauchy's questions. Okay. Now here, cos 2t upon d square plus 1. Type 2 now. What is type 2? Sin x or cos x upon f of d is type 2. What to do in type 2? In the denominator, replace only d square by minus a square. Don't touch the d's. Be careful. Okay. For that I am telling, please watch the videos. You will become 100% perfect. Okay. Type 2. Replace only d square by minus a square. Don't touch the d's. So replace only d square by minus a square. What is, tell me? See, replace only d square by minus a square. What is a? See, a is 2 here. So minus 2 square is minus 4. What is a? Cos 80. A is 2. We have to replace all d square by minus 2 square. So minus 4. Okay. Don't take d as 2 now. This d is 2. So d square by minus, d square by minus a square. So minus of 2 square is 4. That's it. So where d square is there, put minus 4. Therefore the solution is here. The particular integral yp is equal to replace d by 0. So 1 by 1 is 1 plus, as it is, this will be cos 2t whole divided by, replace d square, in place of d square put minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1, it is 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. 1 minus cos 2t by 3 is yp. Okay, so I have my yp here. Therefore, so I write here once again, yp is equal to, or the particular integral is equal to 1 minus cos of 2t divided by 3. So solution y is equal to what? Cf plus pi. That is, it implies y is equal to, what is Cf here? C1 cos t plus C2 sin t plus 1 minus cos 2t by 3. Therefore, the final solution y is equal to, so what I told, first we assume log this is t, so x is to t. So later in the answer, because the question, the problem is given in terms of x, so answer, the solution should also be in terms of x only. That's why choose appropriately. C1 as it is. See, what is t? Log x. Cos of log x plus C2 sin of log x plus 1 minus cos 2t. T is log x. Cos of 2 log x whole divided by 3. That's it. Okay. So we have the solution here. The solution for this Cauchy's differential equation is here. Cf plus pi. So the solution is C1 cos log x plus C2 sin log x plus 1 minus cos, what is t here? Log x. Cos 2 log x divided by 3. That's the solution. That's it. So I hope you clearly understood the solution for this problem. So that's all in today's video. I will be coming up with further more videos like this to help in the examination and score better marks. And also I will be uploading the solution to the model question paper. So please stay updated. Share this video with your friends and classmates as much as possible. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.